So she's very studious girl. Then only she didn't get any kind of job. So it was quite embarrassing moment for me. But yes, God has different plans. So I got selected, fortunately. Okay, how are you doing?
I'm well. I'm doing well. And what about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well, and thank you for asking. So this is our first session. So I want to know a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank you that you have provided me such a wonderful opportunity. Actually, I'm MD Aliza and I come from India, Bihar, and I have completed my engineering. And I do a job in a school as a teacher. That's all about myself. And what about you?
Okay, so my name is Tanuja and I am from Bhopal city. Actually, basically, I am also from Bihar and currently living in Bhopal. And my qualification, I have done engineering from computer science. And currently, I am a working professional in one of the IT company. And it's been 4 years in my company. And simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel as well. Yes, that's all about me.
So nice, ma'am. As you said that you have done your, graduation from IT sector, is it right?
Yeah,
So
right.
it's so nice over here, Sam. But in which language you feel yourself very confident, like Python, C++, or operating system? Which which subject? I mean, you like much more?
Okay, I like Python much, but my working is quite different. I'm in infrastructure side, so I don't require much on coding part. But yes, I'm in cyber security domain.
Cybersecurity. So nice, ma'am. And as you said that you come from Bihar actually, right? And currently you are living in Bhopal. And
Actually, my parents belongs to Bihar, but my birthplace is in Bhopal, so that's why I call it like I'm from Bhopal. But we follow all the culture of Bihar only. Yeah.
then in English, ma'am, how did you start? You start. I mean, in which year you made your mindset that no, I have to learn something. So in which year?
Okay, so to be honest, I was speaking in my workplace little bit, but I was not that much of confident that I can speak every time. So 1 year ago, I decided I should work on my communication because I struggle a lot while speaking to, in my meetings with my colleagues, with my manager. So I thought, no, I should work hard to improve my communication. So I think this kind of conversational videos, I am doing it for last 9 months, and yes, I'm continuously doing it.
Uh, Let me also say about my side. How did
Yes,
I
yes.
start? Who
Mm-hmm.
how I get motivated to push towards English language. So when I was in my college, 2017 perhaps. So that point of time, I was not much more confident in English language, but
Mm-hmm.
I have done schooling from CBSE school, but I was not good in English that point of time. But
Mm-hmm.
somehow I listen whoever was talking or madam sir whoever. So I used to listen all of them. Okay, so uh, actually I used to think that can I speak or not. Okay, this thing was going on in my mind, but
Mm-hmm.
finally I went in college. Okay, so there was one guy who told me about one application name is Hello application. Okay, and Hello application provided me a good platform where I develop myself, and there are so many people across the world I connected, and I made many videos, audio calls. Okay, so this is the journey actually I started until now is going on. And do you know about this application Askai app? One of the guy actually I watch in YouTube. So how can
Mm-hmm.
it possible that in the same frame uh, two people can be see? Okay,
Okay.
so so one of the guy Ari Poto, okay, I requested him, brother, how is possible? So he told me about this application, type it. And I went there in Play Store and I installed, and then I started and I joined in a group. Okay, so this which is about 88 member in this group. So one by one, I used to talk. So somehow I used to develop myself. So that's all about my journey in English language, ma'am.
Okay, it's really nice. So how long it is you are learning this language?
Which is about more than four, 3, 4 years.
4 years. Okay. And in teaching field, how many years of experience you have?
Yeah, just it might be more than 2 years. It's not much more. Yeah, 2 years only.
Okay. So which subject you teach?
I used to teach science.
Okay. So science is your favorite subject?
Yeah, of course. Actually, I completed my 12. I was preparing for IIT JEE. Okay. So that
Okay.
point of time, I was so much interested in physics. One of the Indian teacher, actually, I completed my 12 from Patna, main city. Okay. So he used to teach us. Okay. So I was feeling myself, no, it's a very interesting subject. Okay. Why should not move towards by this subject? Okay. So but my family pressured me, why don't you go and do your engineering? Okay. So because of engineering, I completed. My parents suggested me, forced me to go there and do your engineering. But in my mindset that, when I was class 8, 9, okay, that point of time, I was thinking, no, I wanted to be a teacher and I can be good teacher. Okay. So it's going on in the same path.
Okay. So now you are following your passion, we can say.
Yeah, of course, I'm following my passion. But do you know, ma'am, it's so much work hard you have to do if you are in this particular line.
Yes, yes,
So,
I can understand. And for teaching, you have to be learn every day, and you must have knowledge about everything because the students can ask you anything, and you can't deny these things. Yes, you don't know these things.
some a joke. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Many times, you have to everything you don't know. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you don't know, uh, if anyone is asking question, if you don't know, so that point of time you can say that just wait, tomorrow I will come and will describe all the thing. Okay. And but you have to know that 90% you have to know, 10% is okay, no problem. And student is also understanding, he is also a human being, he is not a
Yes,
robot,
yes,
something like everything has injured in their mind and will say everything. Okay. So it might be a scientist does not know anything, everything.
yes.
A scientist does not know everything. you know we people are human being, it might be something know, something does not know.
Yes, yes, you are right. In every field, it doesn't matter that you know everything. If I'm an engineer and I'm doing work and still I don't get some of the things, so I will Google it and I will find the answer. So it is happening in the same other field as well. If you don't know, so you will learn those things and you will explain those things in another day as well. So yes,
Yes, of course, why not? Ma'am, you are doing in a job in a company, right?
yes, yes.
So you are very comfortable with your money and everything. Work hard, you do. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes, I'm comfortable, but I won't say that I'm satisfied with my salary and all these things. I have to reach on a particular designation and yes, good package as well. Yes, I have completed 4 years, but still, to be honest, I'm not satisfied with my package. So I am working hard for that, and I'm learning new things that I will switch another job so that I can get more salary as well.
Ma'am, one thing I would like, when I first time when I completed my college, so that point of time I joined a company, which is
Okay.
about 3 4 months. I did job over there. It was so pressurized.
Okay.
Because time to time you go and come out, so it was very tough tasks for you.
Yes.
Okay, so I thought that it is not like robot, we people. So I have to do something extra. Okay, because if you will continue 5 years, 10 years, so it might be they will provide me how much, 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, not more than that. Okay, it depends your how much knowledge you have.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, absolutely right. So it depends on your like knowledge and performance as well. And if you are doing great in this field, so definitely you can increase your salary in very short time as well. You know,
Yeah,
you already know that in IT sector we have lot of scope, but the reason is you should have knowledge about this thing. If you
yeah,
are
of course.
working on a particular technology and all these things, so you should have knowledge about those things. Then you can grow more. So it
Yeah.
it's happened. And in my case, I was lacking because of my communication most of the time. I'm not able to express my thoughts. Even I know the things like, yes, I can deliver those things and I can express, but because of hesitation and underconfidence, I'm not able to speak. So that's why I
But
thought first I have to work on my communication.
I
Then I will.
that you have a problem like this. I'm thinking that no, you are well, you are a good speaker.
Yes, you can say now I have improved a lot. I can say this thing. But before that, I was not having this kind of confidence that I can talk with anyone. And
Yeah,
now, after talking with many people, I have overcome this thing.
yeah. And what about ma'am Bihar? Will you not come here because your fathers, everyone is from here, so you don't want to come here?
I go there, but not frequently. If anyone's marriage or any ceremony we have, so then only I go there. And after joining my job, I don't get much time to go there because it is quite far away from my place. So that's why. But my parents usually go there for any kind of work, so they go
Yeah.
there.
So I mean, actually, you started, from this application, or you first started talking with some other application?
No, firstly, my first video with Clapingo Twitter, I had taken 4 sessions on Clapingo just to know that whether I'm able to comfortable speaking or not. And after that, I was getting emails from co-learners, and then from that time itself, I started this kind of conversational videos.
Uh, so nice. Your journey is also interesting. Yeah.
Yes, but
And
to be honest, in the initial days, I have struggled a lot. You can totally understand. We have done engineering, and every subject was in English, and I am from Hindi medium background, so it was quite difficult for me to do all this thing. But yes, somehow I managed because I was the studious girl, so I was able to manage those things. But in interviews, I faced a lot of difficulties. Like I was not able to clear any interview that time. And yes, after rejecting so many interviews, I got placed in one of the company. So yes, from that time I started my journey in IT field, and now it is going well.
yeah, it's so nice, so interesting. We everyone, when we are in the college, that point of time we are under the bubble. Is it right? When when the bubble is burst, okay, then we come out. Then we know that, my God, what is going on in the world? Okay. Uh,
Yes.
First time I went in a company for interview, which is about third round interview over there in Gurugram. Okay,
Okay.
I failed this interview. Second round, I passed. Third round, that point of time in third round, they began to ask the technical question. Okay, first round, second round, somehow it was good, but in third round they started asking technology related question. So I have felt that I was so depressed that point of time. And however, I managed myself, and once again I started in the second company, one of my senior from the same who was doing job in the same company. So I went there by him, and yeah, but I got selected over this, and then I feel myself confident. Before I was so when you fail now, when you reject by someone, you feel yourself very low.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. I was literally crying that time and very depressed. Like, oh, I have done engineering and I was topper of my school and college, and still I didn't get the job. So what people will think about me? Like, oh, so she's very studious girl. Then only she didn't get any kind of job. So it was quite embarrassing moment for me. But yes, God has different plans, so I got selected, fortunately.
Of course, everything has been planned by Almighty. Because sometimes you fail, so you don't think about it. It might be the good opportunity for you, the upcoming. It might be okay. You should be focused. You should be clear about that. If you fail once somewhere, so you think that no, it is going to be happen better for a.
Yes, yes. And during this period, I learned one thing. For example, if you want to achieve, truly want to achieve something, I had this kind of dream that I have to work in a IT sector. No matter like Google and Microsoft, I have to work. But I had this dream that I have to work in IT sector, and I was working for that, and I was learning for those things. And yes, fortunately, I got placed because it was my dream. I can say that I have to work in IT. So that's why. If you really, and now I'm focusing on English part. Like yes, I have to improve my English. I have to build up my confidence. So yes, I am improving this thing. So I would say that whatever things you want, so just try to indulge on those things and try to achieve. So you will definitely achieve.
Yeah, of course, of course. Okay, so basic question I would like to ask you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
We live in India, okay, and India is a very big country, okay. So, how many states till now you have visited?
I think I have visited 6 or 7 states only.
Six, seven you have visited.
Yes.
Please tell me the name.
Okay, so I have visited Bihar, Maharashtra, MP, and UP, Delhi, and Rajasthan, and yes, and Bangalore as well, city Bangalore.
It quite, yeah, it might be more than six, yeah.
Yeah, Karnataka. Hmm.
So you have lots of experience about India. Is it right? But just it might be Bihar and UP and Haryana and
Mhm.
West Bengal and Jharkhand. It might be more than 5 to 6.
Okay. And yes, I also love traveling, but I don't usually get time to visit. But I can say that I want to visit every state in my country. And after that, I have to visit abroad as well. But it's my dream.
Yeah. Of course, of course. Why not? Till now I haven't visited in Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Okay.
Uh, it's the finance city of our country.
Hmm.
Yeah. I haven't
Yes, yes.
visited, but I will go in Inshallah one day. Actually, I have visited like Delhi, all this city, big city I have visited. And
Hmm.
Bangalore, the IT sector is one of the well-known city.
Yes, yes. I went there.
So why don't you go Bangalore instead of, doing job in Bhopal?
Actually, my work location is in Delhi, but I'm working from home nowadays. During the COVID, I got this opportunity to work from home. So I'm continuously doing it. And yes, I got the opportunity from Bangalore as well, but I had two choice whether I have to use this remote job or Bangalore job. So my parents suggested me no. Like money doesn't will difference, because if you are living in a costly city and if you are earning more there and you are earning little bit less here and you are sitting at home, so it is good for you. So
Yeah.
they suggested me to select this one, so I just taken this.
Similar everywhere, if you are living in your home, okay, and if you are doing job, so it might be you are earning less money, 20,000, 30,000. If you are living, outside a big city and you are earning 1 lakh per month, it is very difficult because more than 50,000 you will spend with your, you know,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So everybody said to you that why don't you live in your home and do job in your hometown? Okay, it's quite good.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Because it happened. I was living in Delhi at Delhi as well. Like my work location is in Noida, so that time I used to spend 10 to 15 k, like living in a PG and going to my office. So it was kind of this kind of expenditure. I can save those money because I am living in my hometown, so it is good for me.
Yeah.